how to get an Arabic display name in Roblox. So what we need to do is we need to log into our Roblox account, click on the gear icon in the top right, and then go into settings. Now we need to change a few things before we actually do this. So our birthday needs to be over 18. So you can do the year 2000 or any other year here as long as you're over 18. And we also need to change our account location to an Arabic speaking country. Now once we have done this, I'm just going to go into Google here, and I've just copied some random Arabic letters. Now click on the pencil icon here. And the trick is doing this very quickly. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hover over save. I'm going to press Ctrl+V on my keyboard to add the name, and then immediately click on save before Roblox can give us the error. So if you do it quickly enough, it won't have time to give you an error, and this should update your display name to the Arabic name that you have copied, but it might take a few tries because, as you can see, I'm going to do it slowly now. It tells me display name contains unsupported characters. However, if you do it quickly enough, then it's going to update without actually, giving you the error. Just keep on trying. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.